This is Boots from Cyborg Team. Today I have the eUso Z22. This is a 60% mechanical keyboard. I got the version with blue switches, 63 keys. Let's check out the pictogram on the box. Hot swappable switches, Z22 mechanical keyboard. Pretty plain box here. eUso Z22. Okay, we got the white version. And let's check out our extras here. So in the little baggie here, you have an orange space bar and an orange escape key and a plastic keycap puller and a metal switch puller. You also get a detachable USB-A to USB-C right-angled cable and some extra blue switches. You get an instruction manual, eUso Z22. Basic stuff here. Yeah, keyboard, nice kind of medium weight eUso branding on the spacebar, floating keycap style. Nothing on the sides except on the left side you got your USB-C port. Nothing on the back, and on the bottom, let's see, we got 2 kick-up feet and 4 rubber stoppers. Okay, let's just cycle through these RGB backlights here. Okay, we got nice, smooth, and fluid motion, despite what you see on my crappy camera here. There we go. Okay, let's pop off one of these keycaps. Oops. So we got double shot shine through keycaps, ABS plastic, and the switches are hot swappable, and the brand is Otemu. All right. Now I got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. The price on this was about $33 or $35. You know what? You guys want to see those orange keycaps? Let's give it some character here. There we go. Orange on deck. All right, let's get a quick typing test and see what this thing feels like. So that is the eUso Z22 with the Otemu blue hot swappable switches, RGB backlighting, $35 on Amazon. I have a link in the description. Remember to hit like, hit subscribe, hit share, leave a comment. Especially leave a comment if you have any other questions about this keyboard. I'm gonna spend a little bit more time with it so I can get you an in-depth review. But overall, out of the box, pretty nice. Nice substantial feeling here, kick up feet. Just a nice little package here. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. I'm out.